Okay, let's go.
This is the blow-up valve that I went with, mainly because it's loud and obnoxious, made in Japan, kind of goes with the car, but right there, it definitely goes with the theme of my vehicle, and this thing is absolutely freaking gorgeous. These real HKS parts are a work of art. It's obviously blacked out. Everything in my vehicle is going to be blacked out, but I mean, including that little red insert, which is, you can obviously switch them out and whatever, but I mean, the quality of these HKS parts is freaking awesome. Got that nice made in Japan seal, 1973. They're all serialized. Yeah, it's a great buy if anyone can get one.